Seashells, it's Shelby and I'm back with another video, and today I'm actually going to be doing a collab, and as you can see I'm going to do it with Jinae Lue. Hi guys.
Jack for a waiver, you see me? Jack for a waiver right there, you see me? Yeah. So look out for me, this is a mad thing today, you see me? Yeah.
The man behind the camera.
You know the name?
Azori.
Jesus. And
You know it's Deamodan.
today's video is going to be the extreme
DARES in public.
Blah 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 blah.
pina. But my bro come before and paparazzi, I'm gonna have it. So we're a bit ghetto. Pass my bag. We're gonna shake up the bag and pick the dares and do them, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright, so here's a little bag with our dares inside because we get them. Sorry, we're gonna play one little ring game to see who will go first. So put on a foot, put on a foot. Yeah. So Jinae is going first.
I knew this would happen.
So. Alright. So the first dare is
Approach a couple and flirt with a guy / girl. Oops. Alright.
so now we have to go walk.
I'll find a couple.
I'll find a couple. So guys, I currently see a couple
Kissing in her.
kissing right over there. Right there. So Jinae, you gonna have to go over there and go flirt with the guy.
We can just like hug him.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's how you flirt? I can probably give him a little rub down on his shoulder or something.
Hey baby. Hi.
Hi.
So, what are you doing? You know, see me text you yesterday? So I never reply. So who is this? So what am I then?
This is not a record.
It wasn't there. I was supposed to approach a couple. I'm sorry if you're crazy. Thank you though. Thank you. I was his wife.
So time for dare number 2.
Go in fast food restaurant and order something that's not on the menu.
You have to wait in a whole line. Jesus.
Got tips you got on, but
No.
let's start.
Dare number 3. Don't look at that body now.
Go in a public bathroom and get out and ask someone if they eat.
What that's it?
What you say?
That's it? Get the time.
Go in a public bathroom, then get out and ask someone if they can help plunge the toilet.
One eternity later.
An emergency over the road. it's really embarrassing and thing, but we need the help with like an issue in my house, like something happens and we need to know. It's like, so you know, like when you mix porridge, and something got happen and the porridge lump up and mixed good. So think of it as the tile bomb. It may use going now.
Jesus, and you want to shoot me to the door? I'm here for what you do. You're so cute, you're so cool.
Alright, I think you can do the breakfast today.
No, more energy coming out. Take good help. I like the joke still.
It's his turn.
Alright, youth.
Dare number 4.
God, you know, so I'm not asking for much, for many things very often. So I'm just asking if you do this.
Until we pray and pray now.
While cars are passing.
That never heard funny.
No, but that's what I meant.
Alright, it said freeze in the middle of the road for 1 minute. Me, you want a taxi man to go? Yeah, I'm freezing every day.
No, you have to freeze. That's so. Go out in the road.
Start time.
I'm timing.
Yeah, man, what more? So the boss are nice.
Yes, movie time and stuff.
Why you go? So this dare says
Me have to try to get 10 hugs.
nice. Nice. Anybody, yeah, she can get 10 random hugs from anybody. That's not hard.
But people, man. I don't
Yeah.
have to shower.
You have to hug them. Don't worry, you'll go home and shower again. Let's go. last dare for the day. God, he knows what's on that paper. Hold on.
Nice. Like that expression. Nice.
A foolishness?
Why are you phone now, video?
A foolishness?
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
What?
You see, me telling you say God good, you know, cause God see and know say that in there make me pick the other one. Me record, you know.
Realist, give a about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he called me Tigger.
Okay guys, so you have come to the end of this video and I want to thank all the people that participated. So Jinae Lue,
Seashells, Deamodan.
Azuri_worldwide.
And Jack Pro in the place, you know?
so if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Bye guys.
Hand sanitizer.